The constant evolution of technology and programming in the global world has allowed several fields to study, such as architecture, to optimize the way of presenting the architecture project, generating new representation models which cause a great change in architecture. And in this methodology of presentation and communication with the user, forging a new effective requirement for the theory and practice of an architect can the way in which he can capture, communicate, and build his project. One of the most used digital tools today are the different software programs from the Autodesk company, which have been one of the pioneers in the creation of digital programs for the design, construction, and 3D visualization of architectural, civil, mechanical, or industrial projects, and any another field of design and creation. The means by which the architecture project is communicated and presented are through graphic information panels, 2D and 3D models, rendering programs, 3D visualization, as well as recent representation models, such as augmented reality (AD) or virtual reality (VR). The new digital era in programming has allowed the advancement of thousands of architecture projects through the different designs and visualization programs that allow the architects to generate a more organized, more detailed project with millimetric calculation and with a study of the different variables that the project can be present, generating the new digital skills that architects must have to face the new labor demand and be qualified for it.